check out our newest feature update. We just had a huge update within communities. We've now added paid courses, seamless purchase flow, multi-currency, completion tracking, and course reordering. Unlock new revenue streams and enhance community engagement with the newest features inside of our communities. With this update, you're going to be able to increase your earnings by effortlessly upselling your audience into paid courses directly from your communities. You're going to be able to take control of your course presentation by reordering them according to your preference. You'll also be able to foster a dynamic learning environment with integrated email notifications, progress tracking, and the ability to edit pricing and payments. Imagine you run a small business offering various courses to your community. Well, with paid courses within the CRM, you can seamlessly showcase and sell your courses, enhancing user experience. Whether it's a one-time payment for a workshop or a reoccurring subscription for ongoing education, this feature empowers you to tailor your offerings to your audience's needs. So let's go ahead and create a course. So first I'm going to have you go into memberships, and I'm going to have you go ahead and select the group and then go ahead and log into that specific group. So from there, you're going to see this course area. I want you to go ahead and select plus add course, or if you'd like to do this with an existing course, go ahead and do that. Now we're going to go ahead and access the new subscription types. So after you've selected course, I want you to go ahead and set up your subscription based on what your needs are. So in here, you're going to select the course. You'll go ahead and decide if that's going to be reoccurring, one time, what those fees are going to be, what the trial is going to be. Now you'll notice here that we have multiple currencies available. So go ahead and select the currency that best suits your audience. Now you're just going to simply click Add Course. And then let's go ahead and talk about the ability to move these courses around. So now you can click on the three dots and you can actually move that card around. Now you'll also be able to easily track the progress of all of your created courses right within your groups. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.